morning, students. Today we are going to see this kind of question. It is, pick out the verbs and write what tense are they. Pick out the verb and write what tense are they. For that, you have to find out the verb forms. Each tense has its own verb forms, except present tense and past tense. Present tense and past tense do not have verb forms. Each verb has its own form. Each verb has its own form. It is have is in the written, but it is has. In the in the note, it is written have. That is wrong. Be careful. Each verb has. That's the correct one. Its own form. Other tenses have special verb forms. Adding an auxiliary verb with the main verb. We form other tenses by adding an auxiliary verb and the main verb. So I'm going to say the different forms of the verb. Present continuous. The verb form is am or is or are plus ing form of the verb. I am playing, he is playing, she is playing. When the subject is I, we use am plus ing form of the verb. The subject is singular, we use is plus ing form of the verb. If the subject is plural, we use are plus ing form of the verb. Ing form of the verb is base form plus ing. Base form of the verb plus ing is the ing form. Write base form, am writing is the present continuous. Write base form, writing ing form. So am writing, play, playing, run, running, eat, eating. These are ing form. So the verb form present continuous is am or is or are plus ing form of the verb. The present perfect, its base form is, verb form is has or have plus past participle. If the subject is singular, has plus past participle. The subject is I and plural, we use have. He has gone, I have gone, they have gone. Have gone, has gone are present perfect tense. Has auxiliary, then past participle. Have auxiliary, past participle. The past participle of go is gone, play is played, run is run, walk, walked. Now present perfect continuous tense. The verb form is has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. Has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. He has been learning English for 3 hours. Has been learning is the present perfect continuous tense. Learning is ing form. They have been playing for 3 hours. Have been playing is the verb that is in present perfect continuous tense. So has, the subject is singular, has plus ing. Has plus been plus ing form of the verb. If the subject is plural and I, we use have plus been plus ing form of the verb. Now past continuous. Simple past tense has each verb forms. You understand? It doesn't have any special verb forms. So past continuous has verb forms, that is was or were plus ing form of the verb. Was or were plus ing form of the verb. Subject is singular, we use was plus ing. Subject is plural, we use were plus ing. He was singing a song. They were cleaning the classroom. Was singing is past continuous. We use was because subject is he, that is singular. Were cleaning is a verb, past continuous. We use were because the subject is they, that is plural. The past perfect, had plus past participle. So in this sentence, we should not be worried about the number of the verb subject. Both singular and plural has same form, had plus past participle. Here are written a letter. Now past perfect continuous, had plus been plus ing form of the verb. So the verb, there is no problem of the number of the subject. Both singular and plural we use had plus been plus ing form. He had been waiting. Now simple future, will or shall plus have plus base form of the verb. Will or shall plus base form of the verb. He will meet him tomorrow. Will is the auxiliary, meet is the base form of the verb. He will meet him tomorrow. So we have to use time. Tomorrow, next day, next week. Then future continuous. Will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. So we use will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Here there is no problem of the subject whether it is singular or plural. If both singular and plural, we use will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. Now future perfect, will or shall plus have plus past participle. Will or shall plus have plus past participle. Will have met him tomorrow. Have met is the verb, that is future tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. I shall have been completing the paper tomorrow. Have been completing is the verb, that is future perfect tense. So this is the means to or way to find out the verb. And in this question you have to find out the verb. So you write down verb equal to is equal, then write the verb. Then tense, what tense it is. For example, I am reading a book. Am reading is verb and it is present continuous tense. I bought a pen yesterday. Bought is the verb, that is in past tense. He writes a letter. Writes is a verb, that is the present simple present and singular, simple present tense. I have been reading a book for 3 hours. Have been reading is a verb and tense is present perfect continuous tense. I will have completed my project by the end of this month. Will have completed is the verb, that is future perfect tense. So this is the way you have to write this question. You have to pick out the verb and write what tense are they. So first you write the verb, then you have to write the tense of the verb. So I am telling you once more, that is present tense and past tense do not have special verb forms. If we add s to the base form, we get simple present singular. If there is no s with the base form, then that is plural. Base form is, there are 3 forms I told the last class: present tense, past tense, past participle. So the first form is present tense, that is present tense plural. If we add s to the present tense plural, we get present tense singular. In past tense, There are regular, irregular verbs. Each tense has its own form, and generally speaking, we can make past tense by adding ed to the base form. Ed to the base form, past and past. That is called regular verb. If the right road return is not regular, it is called irregular verb, because the past present tense and past tense and past participle are different. So that is called irregular verb. Regular verb we can make by adding ed. Walk, walked. Play, played. Talk, talked. Jump, jumped, etc. Now, past continuous. I was reading. I was playing cricket. Was playing is the verb. Then your right tense, past continuous. Will having completed the project tomorrow. Will having completed the verb, tense future perfect. So you have to write that way this question. And all the tenses except present tense and past tense have auxiliary verb. Present continuous am is are auxiliary. Plus present perfect has have. Present perfect continuous has have plus been auxiliary. Future tense will or shall auxiliary. Present past perfect had auxiliary. So when you look at the verb, if there is auxiliary, you have to write the auxiliary also. For example, I am writing a letter. Writing itself is wrong. That is not the verb. I am writing is a verb. So be careful. So study that way, and for this question, this way you have to study this question. Have a nice day.